Hi everyone, in the previous video we talked about how to prompt the user to put in some text and then how to print it on the screen. So in this video we're going to talk about how to ask the user to put in some numbers and then do some calculation with the number. So first of all we need to clarify something. So if we put a bit of a text in a variable, we call this variable a string. But if we put a whole number in a variable, then we call it int. It's short for integer. And of course, we have other different types of variables. I will introduce them when we see them in the future. Now let's have a look at the program we did before. So let's comment this out first. So I want you to have a look at the first one. Before we put length as a fixed number, 5. Now this time, I want to prompt some information to ask user to put a number in. So if we do what we did before, it will be input. Please enter a number. Okay. So now it sends a message to the user to enter a number. Even though the user is going to put in a number, the computer will see it as a string, as a bit of text. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the string to an integer. So it's very easy. We just put int bracket, and don't forget it always comes in pairs. There's another one here. So now we can just go run. So please enter a number. Now this time I'll set length to 4. So then I press enter. Now the result is 16 instead of 25. Okay, so now what if we don't change it to integer? Would the computer recognize it and do the calculation? Let's have a look. Okay, enter a number, 9. See, it won't run. So it's very important to remember the type of the input is actually a string. So when we do the calculation, we need to change it back to integer. So just put int in front of it and put brackets around it. That's it. Now, as a practice, can you please do the second one for me? Prompt the user to enter 3 numbers and add them up. Display the final result on the screen with the message number 1, so the value of number 1, plus the value of number 2, plus the value of number 3 equals total. Good luck. Thank you for watching.